Children, see the next paragraph, mom. Many writers make incorrect sentences, but they try to put sentences together. They make many grammatical errors and leave out important punctuation marks. Making such mistakes is quite common while preparing the first draft. Still, he must carefully edit his final draft. Next paragraph. In most large cities and towns of our country, there are special schools for girls. In spite of that, there are many co-educational schools where girls and boys study together. Most parents allow their daughters to attend these schools, but there are some parents who are against such schools for girls above the age of 14 or 15. Now rearrange the words in the correct order to make meaningful sentences. Question: as I healthy or you am as? You are as healthy as I am. These are jumbled words. Jumbled words are given. We have to arrange these words correctly in order to make a meaningful sentence. Next one. You are today put on new since his birthday dress there. Since today is your birthday, put on the new dress. Allergic dogs, Rani, though is 2 of 6, she, them, has. Though Rani is allergic of dogs, she has 6 of them. Fourth one. Speaks Reuben besides German languages too. Reuben speaks 2 languages besides German. Fifth one. Loan apply if for you a get will immediately. If you apply for a loan, you will get it immediately. Next one. Nominalization. The term nominalization refers to the process of producing a noun from another part of speech by adding a derivational affix. Children, what is suffix, mom? We are fixing something in front of or at the back of the root word in order to get the new word. We have already studied. There are 2 types of affix. They are prefix and suffix. That also we have studied. Here what is meant by nominalization means we are making a noun from any part of speech. For example, arrive given. Arrive is what? Arrive is verb. From arrive, how do you form noun? Arrival. By adding a suffix. If we add a suffix to arrive, we will get a new word in the form of a noun. This process is called nominalization. A grammatical expression is turned into a noun phrase when we nominalize a sentence. For example, after 1885, trade with Europe grew. Here grew is given in the form of verb. Grew is the verb. After 1885, there was a growth in the trade with Europe. Here growth is the noun. Grew is verb, growth is noun. In the first sentence, it is used as a verb. In the next sentence, it is used as a noun. In sentence B, we have used the word growth, which is the noun form of the verb grow, by adding the suffix th. Nominalization can be done in 3 different ways. First one, we can add suffixes like ment, tion, sion, ness, ation, ity, al to verbs and adjectives. So if we add these suffixes or any one of the suffixes, we will be getting noun form. Examples: admire, admiration; arrive, arrival; careless, carelessness; fail, failure; include, inclusion; intense, intensity; punish, punishment. So in these words we are adding suffix and we are getting the words in the form of nouns. So some words are turned into nouns without adding any suffix. So these words we are adding suffix in order to get the nouns, but some words without adding the suffix we are getting nouns. Example: bleed, bled; lose, loss; prove, proof; sell, sale; speak, speech. So here we are not adding suffix but we are getting noun form. Third one, some words do not undergo any change when they are used as nouns. See the examples now in page number 106. Examples: attempt, attempt; change, change; control, control; desire, desire; escape, escape. Here in the left hand side they are used in the form of a verb, right hand side they are used in the form of a noun, but there is no change at all.